Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove updates from WhatsApp status. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp, and you need to uninstall this WhatsApp version because it is the latest version. So once you uninstall that, you simply need to go back and open any browser. So here I'm going to open Chrome and search for WhatsApp old version. So you simply need to click on that, and here you can see different websites. So I'm going to select this website for example, and you need to scroll down and you can find some older one versions like August, July. So you can download any WhatsApp version from here, and you need to log in your WhatsApp account in that version. So this is the easy process that you can do. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.